Subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Here's how to create this blur and slow-mo effect. Download the latest version of InShot via the link in our description. Import your video on InShot. Tap Speed, Curve, and customize your speed curve. You can press the dot to add points on your speed curve if you like. Once you're done, tap Effect, Fade, and select the glass effect. Now add another shake effect of your choice and adjust the duration of your effects. Then tap AI Effect, Glow, and Slice for a futuristic touch. You can also pick from a variety of AI glow effects. Now duplicate your shake effect and repeat the steps according to the beat of the music. You'll get something like this. Have you tried InShot's blur and slow-mo effects? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.